My dear students, welcome back. A very good morning to one and all. Coming to the artificial intelligence course, from the last few classes, we are discussing about the problem solving concepts. In that point of view, we are discussed about some problems, some toy problems, and some real world problems. Okay, already we are covered 4 examples. In today's session, we will discuss the fifth example. So, before we are moving to the fifth example, first we will see how the problem can be defined. Okay, so actually a problem can be defined formally by 4 components. What is the initial state, what is the successor function, what is the goal, what is the path cost. With the help of these 4 components we will solve the particular problem. So now in today's agenda we will discuss about the vacuum cleaner world problem. Vacuum cleaner world, already in the previous sessions also we have discussed a lot of times the vacuum cleaner world. Okay, today we will see what are the possibilities. Okay, so we will start with the states. So how many states are available in the vacuum cleaner world? Actually in this particular example we will consider 2 rooms. Okay, 2 rooms, those 2 rooms names as room A and room B. Okay, so here we have one vacuum cleaner. In this particular vacuum cleaner world has just 2 locations. Those location names are A and B. The vacuum agent perceives which square it is in and whether there is dirt in the square. What is the aim of vacuum cleaner? Okay, cleaning. Okay, so here the vacuum cleaner is one type of agent. Here the vacuum cleaner perceives the environment with the help of sensors, perform the actions to the environment with the help of machines or motors. Okay, so here the actions are move left, move right, if dirt is available suck up the dirt, or do nothing. So in this one very simple agent function is the following: if the current square is dirty then suck, otherwise move to the other square or do nothing. Okay, now we will see the what are the states, what is the initial state, like that. Okay, so here 8 possible states are occurred in the vacuum cleaner world example. Okay, so what is the initial state? Where we will start? As your wish, vacuum cleaner wish. Okay, so any state can be designated as the initial state. In the type of in this type of problems the initial state is not available. Suppose we will consider any real time problem, definitely the initial state is available. Okay, so here what are the successor functions? Here the successor function means actions, either move to left side or right side or suck up the clean, like that. Okay, so here what is the goal? To clean all the rooms. Okay, that is the goal. So what is the path cost here? Number of times the vacuum cleaner moves. Okay, number of times the vacuum cleaner perform the actions, we will consider that as the path cost. Now we will move to the 8 possible states. My dear students, please observe here, this is the 8 possible states. So already I am represented with the numbers, please observe 1. So in the top side, in the top of the image, 2 possible states are available. In the middle, 4 possible states are available. In the last, that means bottom, another 2 possibilities are available. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Please observe that. So here what is our aim? Here we will consider 2 rooms. That means here each and every state we have 2 square boxes are available. In the first square boxes, in the first state we have 2 rooms, room A, room B. In the room A and room B the dirt is available, but the vacuum cleaner is available in room A. Okay, so here the vacuum cleaner perform the suck, then it moves to the arrow, I will mention the arrow here, please observe. Okay, it moves to the third state. Okay, so ఫస్ట్ స్టేట్లో ఏ అనే లొకేషన్లో డట్ ఉంది కాబట్టి క్లీన్ చేసేసింది. దెన్ ద థర్డ్ స్టేట్ ఈజ్ అక్కర్డ్. ఓకే, సో నెంబర్ 3 దగ్గర అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. రూమ్ ఏలో ఎలాంటి డట్ లేదు, బట్ ద డట్ ఈజ్ అవైలబుల్ ఇన్ ద రూమ్ బి. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద ప్రాసెస్. ఓకే, హియర్ ఎస్ స్టాండ్స్ ఫర్ సక్, ఎల్ స్టాండ్స్ ఫర్ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ మూవింగ్, ఆర్ స్టాండ్స్ ఫర్ రైట్ సైడ్ మూవింగ్. Now we are at the third state. Okay, then we will move to the right side. That means the vacuum cleaner move to the right side. Here the vacuum cleaner perform the actions move left, move right, or suck, or do nothing. Okay, so at the third state the vacuum cleaner performs the action right side. Then occur the fourth state, that is చూడండి అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. ఫోర్త్ లొకేషన్లో రూమ్ బిలో డర్ట్ ఉంది, అలాగే వ్యాక్యూమ్ క్లీనర్ కూడా ఉంది. సో దెన్ ఎట్ ద ఫోర్త్ స్టేట్ ద వ్యాక్యూమ్ క్లీనర్ పర్ఫార్మ్స్ ద సక్ యాక్షన్. దెన్ ఫ్రమ్ ద ఫోర్త్ స్టేట్ టు ఎయిత్ స్టేట్, హియర్ ద రూమ్ బి ఈజ్ ఆల్సో clean. Okay, so A and B are cleaned. This is the process. So at this stage, at the 8th stage, you can't do anything because in the room A, room B, there is no dirt. Either move to the left side or move to the right side. There is no suck. That's why here no actions will be performed in the 8th state. Suppose once again we will back to the first state. Suppose here in the first state room A clean చేయకుండా suppose the vacuum cleaner perform the action move to the right side. Okay, so then what happened? Please observe the second state. రూమ్ ఏలో ఉన్న డర్ట్ అలాగే ఉండిపోయింది, రూమ్ బిలో వ్యాక్యూమ్ క్లీనర్ మూవ్ అయిపోయింది. సో రూమ్ ఏ, రూమ్ బి. ప్లీజ్ అబ్జర్వ్ ద సెకండ్ స్టేట్. హియర్ సపోజ్ ద యాక్షన్ పర్ఫార్మ్డ్, ద వ్యాక్యూమ్ క్లీనర్ పర్ఫార్మ్స్ ద యాక్షన్ సక్. దెన్ ఫ్రమ్ స్టేట్ 2 to ఇట్ మూవ్స్ టు ద స్టేట్ 6. దట్ మీన్స్ బిలో ఉన్న డర్ట్ అంతా క్లీన్ అయిపోయింది. ప్లీజ్ అబ్జర్వ్ ద స్టేట్ 6 హియర్. Then the vacuum cleaner performs the action move to the left side in the 6th state. Okay, move to the left side. Then what will happen? So the 5th state is occurred. So left side move in the vacuum cleaner is available in the location A. Okay, now in this situation the vacuum cleaner performs the action suck. Then the 7th state will be occurred. Okay, that means room A kuda clean అయిపోయింది. The 7th state is the output of this type. Okay, so here in the 7th state there is no dot is available in the room A, room B. So that means the dot is cleaned. Okay, these are the 8 states. Okay, so this is the example of vacuum cleaner. This is the solution of vacuum cleaner world. So here the agent is one of 2 locations. Here we have 2 locations, room A and room B. That's why each of which might or might not contain dirt. Dirt unna lekapoina, here there are 2 into 2 square is equal to 8 possible world states are available. Please observe the 8 possible states. So this is the solution for the problem vacuum cleaner world in the artificial intelligence. So thank you very much for your patience. Thank you very much for listening. Thank you. In the next session we will discuss another problem. Thank you.